Test one. Okay. Iron. How are you doing? That pay? Okay, let's try this. Here's what we're gonna do. This is what we're working on today. See if there's a way to get you guys to be able to play my game. I was already kind of looking it up and doing some research earlier today. Sorry, stream foes. For you, for me. Going good. Contemplating if I should actually go and vote or not. I don't see the point of voting in California. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what you guys are talking about voting. But then again, Virginia has been pretty crazy lately. They did voting out like early in April or something like that, and it was completely against the Virginia Constitution, and it was just wild. Just wild. So what I'm gonna search up is okay. Where's my? Oh, am I not signed in, bruh? Why does it do that? Squishy, how are you doing? Okay, close that one. That was goofy. There we go. Chats. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Also, kick is not. Let me pull that off screen before I dox myself. Squishy, how you doing? Are you guys playing Minecraft right now? I think I saw. Oh, that was it. I just had to push a single button. Let me see if it's working. Okay, yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. We are on Minecraft. We died a bunch getting wings. Meg, are you talking about Elytra? The little like glider from the Nether? Or no, not the Nether, the End? Oh, because you guys beat the Ender Dragon, right? Yeah. Cool. I've never gotten Elytras in let me put this like right here so nothing's in the way. Elytras in survival. I've had friends do it. Okay. What is this? And how do I get rid of it? Because I don't use that. That's wild. Okay. So here's what. So earlier today, I'll just do this. It's fine. I don't care if you see what things I bookmark. Earlier today, I was going through a lot. This whole really big conversation of how do I set up and how do I tweak and what's the system that I want and but basically I've come up with a I say I've come up. I've used Gemini and tweaked a way that allows me to let you guys in chat play and drive my Forza cars. And I have not set any of this up yet. I literally just kind of like brainstormed. Anas, how are you doing? And so I am currently just about to go through. Oh, I just realized my thing. Go through that. So what on earth is going on? Where did my social stream ninja go? Oh, there it is. I found it. That was weird. Yeah, and so I'm gonna just set it up on stream. That's what I'm gonna be working on, and we're gonna listen to some music and hopefully have good conversation. And then if I get it done, we'll test it out. Hopefully, I've done all the like craziness, and it's just like as simple as copying and pasting. Hopefully, that's the goal. Let me set up. Yeah, you. So I'm seeing. I want to see my chats. I'm not live everywhere right now. I'm not live on YouTube Shorts or TikTok right now, but I think if we finish it and get to the part, I will. Fire! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Fire. Wow. I appreciate it. Fire, you should have done that yesterday while I had the discount on. Then it would have been cheaper for you. Do you learn prompt engineering? No, I don't know what exactly you're talking about, to be honest. Prompt engineering. I have no degrees. I'm trying. So they give me like so many hours every, it's like a 3-month period or whatever. And I've got so many like discounts, like the same amount, same discount, but like I only can do it like 8 times total or something like that. I don't remember. No, maybe it's maybe it's 12. Anyways, I did the math and I found out I can do an 8-hour window twice a month. So the beginning of the month, and I'll do mid-month ish. So I just did one yesterday. I didn't announce it because it feels weird, right? Be like, by the way, there's a discount if you're looking to do it now. But so you know, and I don't know how do I think Twitch should just tell you, but I'll do it. I'll try to do it. She didn't stream? Meg. I better be one of you guys. Gosh dang it, Spear. It's always Spear. Spear, how you doing? It was you. You're right. It was you. Okay. So I realize it's not gonna show up, so maybe I'm just gonna read it on my end and I'll just read it out loud. So was dying in Minecraft. This is Mesh Blueprint. Okay. Phase 1, build the brains action. Button presser. I'm washing bottles right now. Bottles? Baby bottles? What are we reading? So this is StreamerBot, and we're about to set up, hopefully, if everything works well, a way for you guys to be able to drive my cars in Forza when I'm playing. So, first we build an action, go to the actions tab. Okay, actions tab, bam. I've got so many just like built-in actions from like recommended streamers. Why does it say 5 out of 7? A wavelink? And kick is still not very fluid. Connect streamer bot website by clicking login. I already did that. See? Chat client. Huh. Whatever. If it doesn't work on kick right away, I'll deal with it later. I'll just want to get it working in general. And then it's supposed to be able to connect to at least Twitch and Kick. I want to see if there's a way I can connect to YouTube as well, because look, I've got a YouTube thing right here. About to crash out. Oh, crash into a Poliv car? A police car? Yeah, don't do that. Bro wouldn't go. Yikes. Oh, are you in? Yeah. Prompt engineering is learn how to talk to AI to get max benefits. That's pretty cool. I've seen some things, so I'm like familiar than most, but I wouldn't say hype train complete. Let's go. Thank you, Fire, for that. Open. I've never looked at it. Button mash. Sure, I'll just hit send. It says choo choo apparently. Okay. So right click in the left box, actions, and we're going to add. Yep, add. Okay. Name the action. We're gonna name it Forza Steer Brain. Okay. Choo choo. Just wait till I start recording while riding my bike. Oh man. Anthropic put their course for free. This company that owned Claude the best. Oh, cool. Cool. Yeah, I heard Claude is a very good AI. Okay. In the right box, sub actions, right click and add these exactly in order. Sub actions. Just group. Oh. I'm gonna call it Forza chat control. Q default. I don't even know. Always run even if Q is paused. I don't know. We're just gonna do what it says, and if we need to adjust later, cop doesn't realize I'm on my phone behind him. Dude, don't get in trouble. Okay. So I'm gonna add core. Okay. Global get. Globals. Where's globals? It's alphabetical, okay? Globals get. Okay. Variable name, we're gonna call Forza underscore steer, if I can spell. Default value 0. I'm just doing what it tells me. My excuse, sir. I'm a mod for the stream. I have to be here. Oh, you're trying to get me in trouble too. destination variable? What does that even mean, guys? If destination variable is left empty, the value will be stored to global variable name or username variable name. Huh? What? I don't know this. Kaylin, do you know StreamerBot? Please. I'm following AI, what it tells me to do. But now I'm actually trying to set this up and I don't understand, like, what's destination variable? I'm gonna just do what it says, okay? In these orders, the second one, okay? Add core globals, global get again. Variable name, I'm just gonna copy it. Who cares about it's gonna variable name, bam, okay. Default is 0. Just doing what it says, okay? Core logic, that's wild. If else, bam. Yeah, Faye, hello. Yes, tell him to get off his phone. He's gonna. I appreciate that you're here, but do not die for this stream, I swear. Or getting pulled over because you're behind a cop. Crazy. Okay. Okay. If Forza, where's the if operations? Huh? Input. Huh? When adding an if else subaction to. Oh man, this says if Forza is greater than 0, inside. Oh, huh? What? Oh, it's probably this. This is if Forza is greater than 0. Okay. I don't know. Random, welcome in. Or maybe don't be dumb and get off your phone. Tell the road not to be here while I'm stream. Is Kaylin banned? No? Why would you Kaylin be random? Oh, this ought to be good. Shark, welcome in. I've not played much, sadly. I guess we're learning together, okay? I made that sound when I don't understand the exercise. Oh man. I was banned. I don't know what happened. Huh? Banned from what? From my stream? Mod actions. Timed out, removed by Spear. 2 minutes ago. You were timed out. Spear timed you out. Wait, but so did. Wait. Wait. What is going on? Fire timed out Kaylin for 10 seconds. Then Spear timed out Kaylin. Oh no. Yeah. And then Spear timed out Kaylin. And then Spear removed the timeout. What is going on, guys? What? Fire, Spear, what are you doing? Fire, is that intentional while you're driving? Spear, fire. Goji, welcome in. What is happening? Okay. I'm inside this if statement. We need to do math. Right click inside the then box to add sub actions. What? I don't have headphones on, so it was clearly right there. Should I put my headphones on? I'm sorry. This is not Guys, this is not, let me pull this up. This is not the same thing. This is not the same thing. We're gonna put that here. We'll put that there. It's kind of being covered. You can't fully see all of it. We're just gonna manually. Okay. Right there. Okay. Fire timed him out, and I was trying to untime him out and accidentally timed out. That's because it was for 10 seconds. That's super funny. What the heck? Dude, that knock gotta go. Wait, did that knock fool you, Fire? That's wild. Tell me why I looked at my passenger window. That's amazing. Yeah. You're texting and driving right behind a cop. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's too funny. Holy goodness. I cannot focus, guys. What does this say? True result fall? Huh? It says okay, so go to action times, right click, left box action, and click add. Okay, I did. I added this and this, and now this one. Core if Forza blank is greater. Oh, you see that? You guys did not. Greater than 0. True result. Okay. Inside. Oh my goodness. It's. I wonder if you guys are gonna hear it like double through my mic and through only PC works. I can send it to you via Discord. Crowd control link won't work for me. What? What you mean only PC works? Huh? That scared you. It worked. Yeah, I've used it on phone before. Why is it works for Spear? Oh, thank goodness. Thank you, Spear. I was freaking out. Fire just all sorts of crazy. Okay, so if Forza, that's what I added. Can I edit this? Edit. Okay. If Forza is greater than 0, I assume that's what it's talking about. Greater than 0. It says if, but that's input. Input, blah, 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 but when I clicked on this, it says if. Wait a minute. Inside this statement, you need to do math. Right click inside, then box to add sub actions. Oh my gosh. Okay. Math. I need a sub action. Oh, nice. No. Copy sub action. I'm making a sub action inside the sub action? What? Action tabs, right click, left box, add action. Okay. Create this. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Action 1 of 2. Name the action this. In the right box, right click and add these. So these are all sub actions. Okay. Right click inside the then box to add sub actions. Doesn't work for me. The link doesn't light up for me to click. Oh. Really? Is there a crowd control overlay? Oh yeah. That thank you. Thank you, Spear. I forgot I even set that up. Oh. Sorry, my wife is messaging me. Hollywood and California? Huh? My wife just messaged me asking if I want to get the hyperlink is broken. Even there? Even in chat there? Because I see it works on me, but I am looking at are you in Cali? It's wild. I don't care. Oh, okay. Cover mugs. You know what I'm talking about? And there's a Hollywood and a California one. And I'm like, where are you at Starbucks and how is it in California? You know, I'm like, what on earth? It doesn't work if I copy and paste either. It works for me each time. That's so strange. Is but it used to work, right? Okay, so what you can do is go to my page. There should be a links. All my links should be on my profile. Let me double check. About. There it is. A crowd control link right there on my about. If that doesn't work, I have no idea what to do. It worked in the pinned comment. Okay. What is this? What is this? Who is doing these things? Where was I, guys? I have to somehow add math. That doesn't make any sense. Huh? How do I add your sub action to either of these groups to perform actions based on the result of this expression? Input. So these true and follow. Math. Forza steer divided by Forza steer. Assign to final steer. What? I don't know how to do this, guys. It used to work for me. Yeah. The copy and paste worked? Okay. That's good. That's weird that it's being difficult for you. I don't know how to do this, guys. I'm stuck right here. I'm stuck here. Is that what this is? Add. I don't see math. Favorite sub recent sub actions. Add group. Clear child sub action. This is called a child sub action. Add something about child sub action actions. Set sub action state, sub action weight. Oh my gosh. What is this one called? StreamerBot 1.0.4. Here what we're gonna do. We're gonna do actually that one's fine. No, I lied. I want the pro. I don't want to mess up this. Make sure these instructions are with streamer bot version. What was it? I already forgot. 1.4, something like that. 1.0.4. I swear it's 1.0.4. I don't know. That's I don't understand. To make the perfectly compatible, we need to make two major adjustments from older versions. Okay, the trigger system moved away from the old command frick command tab. I don't even know where I was. Where was I? Trigger. Okay, here it was. Commands tab. You know. Gosh dang it. You now attach Twitch commands directly to actions itself using triggers window. Okay, arguments variable in Twitch commands arguments no longer called arg, they're now called input. That makes more sense. For your strength and for your seconds. Here's the exact scratch blueprint. Okay, go to actions tab. You'll see three main boxes. Action, left, triggers, top, right. Thank goodness. Okay. Where am I? Where'd my action that I made go? Forza, here it is. Okay, create Forza steer brain. Right click in the left actions, add Forza steer brain, bottom right sub actions. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. You fire. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna right click and add these exactly in this order. Okay. Core global get, variable name, default value, okay, I did that for both of these. Core logic if else, variable, operator, wait, let me, no, not delete all, let me just start that one over, okay, delete that one all. Core logic if else, okay. Bro is clipping while driving. Wow, yeah, I cannot believe it. I gave you the perfect. What the heck? Okay. There's no variable. Operator. Okay, so this greater than value 0. Right click inside the new then folder. Is that what this is? I guess that's what this is. That appears to add these sub actions. This is wild. Booting up Forza. Nice. Okay. Core logic. It did not say math. Math. Core logic math. Am I going crazy? Add core logic. There's no math. You looking for a second or third? I hopefully will be able to knock this out and join you. Edit logic if else. Group favorite enabled. Delete favorite. Recent sub. Add. clear child sub action. So I guess it's in here. How do I adjust the... Huh. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. No. So sorry I used... Oh, rough grammar. Rough them cookies you gave me ain't sitting right. Sheesh. Crisco instead of butter. What on earth are you guys talking about? Auto type toggle. Okay. Default is true. Without auto type, values are treated as text or string variables, which may result in surprising results like 15 being less than 2. What? Oh, because it's... What? That's wild. Valak, hello. I'm trying to use AI and StreamerBot to build something, but I'm lost. AI is not being as clear as uh it thinks it is. The field is okay. Wait, if I do not auto type without auto type, values are treated as text or string variables. Enable auto type to automatically determine the type of variable value. This is usually what you want unless you're deliberately performing alphabetical comparisons on text which might happen to contain numbers. Okay, no. I don't know. I really don't know. Value is text. Enter the value you would like to use for comparison. Um, is this where I... Oh, look. Math count. So maybe this is what it's talking about. No, it says value 0 right there. That's what it says. Spanish fan, some of the wife getting ready for dinner. Nice. So what were you playing? You just finished? So what if I cut off my foot and the calluses isn't there anymore? What are you... Fire what? what are what are we talking about? Guild Wars 2? Okay. I've never played. I've heard of it. When adding a failed sub action, two groups called true and false will automatically be underneath the sub action. Yep, right there. Add your sub actions to either of these groups to perform actions based on the result of this expression. So here, if result, okay, if result, okay, maybe math is here. No, it's not. Logic, there's no math. There's no math. There's no math. Huh? I don't know what to do, guys. Pro tip: always have no idea what I'm here for. Goodness. Yeah, goodness gracious. It says right click inside the new then folder that appears to add these sub actions. Core logic math. It doesn't exist. Okay. I'm gonna just once I add the sub action core logic if wait, what is it called again? Core logic if else. If else. Oops. That's the wrong one. If else I get a forgot a space. A box. Good luck you're gonna have yeah. Absolutely. Time before it gets cold. Absolutely. Have a good dinner. I get a box. Let me just click the edit. That has input operation, which I can set to greater than and value. When I set input to bam operation to greater than and value to 0, it creates what does it call it? Oh wait, there's actually more than operation that has an auto type toggle. Okay. When I set the input to this operation to greater than value, it and click OK. It creates what are these called again? Child sub actions. It creates child sub actions that say wait, it creates two. It creates two child sub actions that I said the that say true result and false result. Result. I can't type result. I'm gonna jump in the channel. The Discord channel is gonna jump on with us when you're ready. Yeah, all good. You guys play. I'm gonna try to knock out as much as I can. If I can't seem to get this single step, oh man, I'll probably just pause, do it some other time. if I right click and choose add logic, oops, there is no math anything. I have even searched through the other options under add and cannot find any math anything. Let's see if this works. I hope so. Would be nice. Here completely I sent you a wild goose chase. I was mixing up StreamYard's interface with another program. Mix it up. Oh, wow, I love that. It's not to do any division or calculation. It relies on a single execute C# code. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Honestly, this is actually a blessing in disguise. Instead of manually creating 4 or 5 different massive actions, you can just paste a small snippet of text so the bot will do all the calc. What? That's awesome. Here's the exact way how to navigate that true result folder structure and set up the math. Fixing. Okay, so 1, yes. 2, yes. If else, yes. Okay, now we are going to build everything up inside that true result folder. It's not a folder, but okay. Add C#. Okay. Add core C#. Oh, frick. I can't even see. What does it say? Code block. Right click directly, add core C#, execute C# code block. Oh, code. Execute C# code. Core C#, execute C# code. A large window of text will pop up. Delete everything in that window and paste the exact code. Let's go. It's hopefully easier than I initially thought. Copy. Paste. If everything works, just like first try, that will be amazing. Unlikely, I'm gonna be honest, but that would be amazing. Click the compile button at the bottom of the window. Compile. It should say compiled successfully. Click save and close. Save and compile. Save and compile. Add the left turn check. Okay. If final steer. Wait. Save and close. Okay. Forza steer count. Right click on. Okay. Your true results test folder again. I'm gonna go add logic if else. Add logic if else input is less than 0. Inside the new true folder that is created, add your 3 keyboard actions. Okay. System keyboard press, state down key is A. Add core system keyboard press. Okay. State. What's state? Huh? Control Alt Shift. What? Press. State down. Key is A. There's no state. Okay. Under keyboard press, there is no state option. There is key and modifiers. Control Alt Shift. Let's hope I don't run into my limit during this, because that would be unfortunate. While I'm waiting, I can set up my Forza streams. Okay. You just hit a massive known structural limitation by that. Derails a lot of game configuration. You're completely right. The keyboard press sub action is strictly a generic tap mechanism, which does not feature an internal up down. For physics heavy games, like a simple keyboard tap won't register correctly anyway, as the game requires keys to be physically sustained down across frames to translate and throttle. To solve this, we can move the holding and release logic entirely inside the C+ block by tapping directly the Windows API. This makes everything infinitely simpler. You can delete any if-else tree or trees or keyboard sub-actions inside the true folder and let the script handle the timing. Inside your tree result. Okay. This one is the one I'm going to delete. Okay. Open your action and strip everything inside the true result 0 except for your replace them with these updated scripts. Update Forza steer brain. Wipe out everything below the code block in the true result folder. Double check or execute code block in the steer brain action. Delete the previous content and paste the script. Uses both virtual keys and hardware. All of this? Get rid of all this? Okay. I'm nervous. It's a lot more code. Click compile to ensure it compiles successfully. Compiled successfully. Let's see. Oh, thank you for the water, Libby. How are you doing? I'm setting up so chat can play my Forza game. I don't know how to code, but AI does. At least it somewhat knows how to code. Click compile, then click save and close. Okay, update Forza pedal brain. What? I never made a Forza pedal brain. Oh my gosh, good. Just got back from church. Oh, cool. Okay. So Forza dash pedal brain. Double click the execute C. Oh my gosh. You see, I think I've got to start the steps over from scratch. Why couldn't I spell that? Genuinely, does it actually look? I think it will be fun when it works. This I find it kind of interesting personally, but I don't necessarily like. I don't know. So this one, I made a steer brain. It's got 3 sub actions: get, and then this thing with code in it. Okay, create the brains action, build the steering engine. Kaylin, who be knocking? Go to the actions tab and SteerBot, right click, name it Forza Steer Brain. Yep, already did that. Okay, sub actions. We're gonna put goals, goal get, Forza Steer. That's right there. And the second one, goals, goal get, Forza Steer count. Okay, yep. Default values for 0 for both of them. Create the vote gate. What? Ben, how you doing? Add core logic. That's this one. If else, Forza steer count. Operation greater than 0. Hit OK. Generates true. Okay. Add this code. Let me edit. Does this look the same? Public class. Bridge the standard Windows input system. D. So this means okay. Static inner void. Bit bscan. Okay. So far, so good. Looks the same. Oh, except these. These don't look the same. Oh no, wait. No, they're just split by a code. Okay. Right there. Execute. Double score. Forza steer. Okay. Forza steer count. Okay. Just making sure everything matches. Steer score, steer count, math. Okay, 100, 100. hold time equal convert to, okay. If hold time is 0, okay. Target key final steer on the question mark. Yep. Yep. Keyboard event. Key scan, key down. Thread, sleep, hold time. Keyboard event, key target. Up, return. Okay. To finish the steering loop, right click on the primary sub action window. We're just gonna say, okay. To finish the steering loop, right click on the primary sub action window below and add 2 cleanups. Okay. I'm gonna add core globals, global set, core globals, global set, and I'm gonna set the variable is gonna be steer. Value is going to be 0. Do I leave it at persistent and auto? I don't know. I'm gonna go for a bit, play some games while we come back. All good. Have fun. Okay. If I ask it about this, it's gonna I'm gonna just build pedal engine. Okay. Yeah, pedal engine and bottom of sub actions. Okay, core get core. Oh no, globals. Global get Forza pedal. Default value is 0. I could have just typed it, but whatever. Source global user. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna do another one. Global. Oh. Yeah, get. Oh. Core globals get. Forza pedal count. Default value 0. Create the pedal gate. Add logic if else. Okay. Add core logic if else. Set pedal count operation to greater than, and the value is 0. Add the C pedal code. Okay, right click directly on the new true right here. Add core C# code. Paste this custom script. Okay, copy, delete all that, paste, click compile and compile successfully. Okay. Finish the pedal loop by right clicking below. Global set, core, global set, Forza pedal, value is 0. I'm gonna do it again. Core, global set, value 0. Did I do this twice with the steering brain? No, I didn't. Did I need to? Yeah, I totally missed one. How did I do that? Core global set. Totally missed that one. I was like, wait a minute, something's weird. 0. There we go. Okay, back to the pedal brain. Set. Okay, phase 2, create the master clockwork. Now we configure StreamBot to execute both engines at the exact same millisecond every single second, provided the game is active. Okay, the clock action. Create a new action named Forza. Okay. New action. We're going to call it Forza Master Timer. In subactions, system, Windows, get active window. Core systems, settings? No. System, run a program, test timers, user, triggers. Huh. There is no. Okay, start over from. Start over from this. Actually, I'm gonna just. As there. Whoops. There is no get active window. Actually, there's no window. There's no window setting at all. There's no window option under system. Darn, we were so close. Does not have a native built-in window detection sub-action UI to get the active window title safely without a dedicated. You can another small piece of UI to grab it. Here's another correct setup starting exactly from. Okay, phase 2, create master clockwork. Okay, we'll now build the safety switch and timer loops so that both driving engines execute perfectly in parallel every second, but only when the game is in focus. Clock action. Create a new action. Forza Master Timer. Okay, that's what I've got. On bottom right sub actions. Okay, add active window checker. Replace the missing UI menu. Right click the sub actions. Add core C# execute code. Add core C# code. It's much easier when it just types out all the code for me. We're going to hit compile, make sure it's successful, save and compile. Cool. It says save and close, but I think it means save and compile. Create a safety check. Filter right, click below, add core logic if else. Okay. Logic if else. Set input to active contains set value to Forza. Oh, it's going to detect the window title. If it contains, okay. And then This will generate true result 0 folder structure. Yep. Trigger the brain's parallel. Right click directly inside the true and add these two actions inside it. Core action, run action. Core action, run action. Select Forza steer brain. Forza steer brain. Critical. Check the box for run immediately. Okay. Wait equals false. Okay. And then another one. Core. Action, run action. Core. Action, run action. Forza pedal brain. Forza pedal brain. Select. Okay. Turn on the timer. Look at the top navigation tabs of StreamerBot. Huh? What you talking about? Look at the top navigation tab of StreamerBot and click on timers. Do you see timers up here or here? Timers. Haha. Okay, found it. It was on the right. It was on the left. Right click empty window, select add. Okay, click on the empty window, select add, and configure like this. Name. Forza 1 sec loop. Okay. We're going to enable it. Intervals. 1 second. Action. There's no action. Repeat? Probably. Oh my gosh. Start over with this. So close. We are almost there. Start over with this as inside the timer action. There is no action option, and there is a repeat option that you didn't mention that I feel like I need to enable. Oh, I thought we were so close. I feel like thank you. I feel like we're 90% there. We're like almost done, and then got one more little hiccup. You're spot on exactly how StreamYard handles it. Updated his workflow. Fat beard, worth it every time. Faith Family Dad, welcome in. I'm currently setting up StreamerBot using the help of AI to hopefully, maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll all just be junk. I have no idea. But to allow you guys in chat to be able to control my car in Forza. I think it'd be fun. How have you guys been? How have you been? Fatbeard, been missing you. That is exactly after what handles it, and it's after workload. The timer's when it only registers the clock's existence, while the actual link to your script happens backward via the trigger inside the action menu. And yes, you absolutely need to enable reboot, otherwise the clock. Yeah, okay. Okay. So starting over from here. Continued. Turn on the timer. Look at the top navigation tabs and click on timers. Yeah. Right click empty window. That's what I did. Add. Okay. Yes. Intervals 1. Repeat. Yes. Enable. Yes. Lines. There's no lines. Oh, there's a lines. Leave it 0. Hit OK. Here we are. Bro, what just happened to my speaker? It's like bzz. It's not my actual speaker because my music is playing fine, but it's the beep noise is being weird. I've been busy at night, and this week will be crazy. I'm hoping next week goes back to normal. I hope it's not too stressful for you. I'm glad you're here. Go back to the main actions tab. Okay. Left click on your Forza master timer. Okay. To highlight it, look at the top right triggers. Right click inside it and select core, timed action, core, timed action. And then the timed action will be this one. Click OK. Phase 3. We're almost done, I think. Create the chat input actions. Now we've built the actions that capture incoming chat text, apply safe fallbacks for empty messages, normalize troll inputs, and cleanly looped the vote. We'll see if all this works. I'm getting excited, guys. We're so close. Across multiple seconds. Okay, build the turn left action in the actions tab. Okay. I'm going to click add. New action is going to be called Forza. I'll just keep everything the same. Right click the bottom right section. Okay. Input left. Okay. Core logic if else. Okay. Core logic if else. I'm gonna do nice. It was not me. I swear. Equals. Okay. String. Leave the. Okay, so I probably want to turn off auto type if it's string. Ben, it wasn't me. If multiple of you do that fart thing together and it like fills up the can, I think it does like a really big one at the end or something like that. Leave the field entirely blank. Okay. Equals. That's fine. I'll just leave auto type on. Okay. Core arguments, set argument. What? Frick! That scared me. That was so much louder than the first one. See pressure 1 out of 0 or 1 out of 10. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm confused with here. Core arguments. Something's wrong. Set argument. Input is 0. Set argument. I'm so confused. Wasn't me. You know what you're doing. I think I might need to tell it to redo this stinking again. How close are we to the bottom? Oh, we are close. We're very close. Gosh, dang it. It's so loud. It's so sudden. Start over from, oops, if I can spell from, bam. Oops, I added a space. As I am confused by what you mean when you say am I adding a second core arguments set argument, and if so, spent all your coins. You didn't even do them quick enough together for it to do it. I'll refund one of yours. The last one didn't scare me as bad. Oh, there's 6 coins. There you go. I refunded that one for you. And if so, what do you mean by input 0 to 100, as I have a variable name field, that's what's called, and a value you, goodness gracious, value field, and an auto type toggle. I had to pay extra for them in a row. Thank you. Spending any paid coins actually acts as a donation. By the way, that folder and folder logic inside ShareMite can definitely be confusing when written out in text shorthand. Let's slow it down and look exactly what fields you need to click and type into when the viewer types left without any numbers. ShareMite leaves input 0 and input 1 completely empty. To fix this, you create if else check. If that check turns out to be true, meaning the input is blank, the bot executes a secondary step inside that specific folder to fill in the missing data. Here's the exact step. Okay. Go to actions. Okay, so we're just canceling that. Input left, yes. Move over to the bottom right, sub actions. Okay, yes. Leave completely blank. Okay, that's what I did. Can't spend my money on this. Hopefully it doesn't work or just too much reading. Okay, click OK. This creates a subfolder. Yes. Yep, that's what it looks like. Right click directly into the true folder and select add core arguments set argument. See, add core arguments set argument. Okay, fill the boxes exactly like this. Variable name input 0. Do not include print sign here. Correct. Value type 100. Auto, leave this checked, enable by default. Cool. Click OK. Step B, create the duration fallback. Now we do the exact same thing. For the second variable, we want this below your first setup, not inside it. Okay, right click the main white space. It's not white. Of your sub action below your first if else and select add core logic if else. So here, add core logic if else. Fill the boxes out like this. Input equals value. Leave completely blank. Click OK. I'm a pro YouTube guy. Yes, for show. Right click directly on this second true result folder and select add core argument set argument. Okay, this one. Add core arguments set argument. Variable is going to call input 1. Value is 1. Auto type leave check, click OK. Step C, add the data sanitization code. Oh my goodness, 21 subscribers. Hey, it's growing though. That's progress. I think last time you mentioned you were at 8, so you're more than double. You're almost triple. Right click the main white space at the bottom of your sub action window and select. Oh, whoa. Okay, now that we are guaranteed to have numbers either from the user or from our fallbacks, we pass them into our safety script. Right click the main white space at the bottom of your sub action window and select add core C# execute code. Add core C# code. Erase everything inside that code and paste this exact script. I don't like how it's all in like this weird. Starting here. Valorant now, so we can't chat, doing split screen. All good. We're gonna hit compile, compiled successfully, and click save and close. Create the command duration loop. Finally, we did the loop that holds, we build the loop that holds onto that user's vote for the requested number of seconds. Right-click the main white space at the bottom of your subbed action. Add core logic loop. Core logic loop. Oh my gosh. Start over with step D. Start over with as there is no loop option under logic. Oh my goodness. Squishy! This became such a big project all the time. A little bit. It's been an hour and a half. But I've also had people farting in my face, so there's that. Oh man. It's already 10. I haven't gotten stuck, and I'm like 98% of the way there, except this was a problem, which might end up being blind farters might end up being an extra couple steps. I don't know. You are so right to call that a trimmer while uses a while sub action for looping instead of a dead loop button, which requires setting a manual iteration counters using extra logic line to completely skip the headache of nested logic folders. We can actually move the entire duration loop inside our C# script. The C# engine handles standard loops flawlessly and features a built-in mechanism that works exactly like the UI detail delay timer. Here's an updated simplified pipeline starting directly from this action, consolidating the data, cleaning and duration. Okay. Create, build live action. Go to here. Okay, did this. Now move over to the bottom sub action. Create the strength fallback. Right click sub action, add logic. If else, yep. Leave blank. Done. Okay, I did that. Click OK. Directly in that. Core set argument, input 0. Right there, yes. 100. Leave blank. Click OK. Done. Create duration fallback. Right click, make my space. Input 1, string, leave blank, and then inside the true result, set argument 1, 1. Okay, click OK. Done with that. Step C. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one. Actually, no. Okay, that's fine. Tire count. Oh, that's exactly erasing the default. Okay, copy all that. Let's edit this. Let's get rid of all of this and paste that. Okay. Compile, ensure it says compiled successfully. Yep. And save and close. Your Forza input left is now complete and should look like a clean 3-stack line. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I'll minimize these. Yes. Replicate from white. Right click on your finish this action. Click duplicate. Thank goodness. Duplicate. Yeah, I'm gonna rename rename group. No, I want to just rename. Sure, edit. There we go. Should be right. There we go. So close. On my way. ETA 10:30. Yay. 30 minutes. For right click. Oh, double check the internal execute code block. Find the line. Oh, okay. This code block. Find the line. Int vote weight. Int vote weight strength -1. Change it to int vote weight strength. Oh gosh. Like that. Click compile. Save and close. For Forza, double click. Okay, I hate, why does it do this? Okay, restart with this. This was, I am confused. Shows strong potential, needs a bigger audience. I just want to share with you what I want to search. Cool. Lambo Racer. Can I play? I only play with people I know. But I am setting up this thing right here so people in chat are able to control my stuff via the stream. I'm almost done. That lemma looks so I can get messy. Let's okay. Okay, right click, duplicate, rename. Okay. I can just duplicate this again. Awesome. Duplicate, edit. We're gonna rename it for the input gas. Okay. Bottom of the edit. Copy into exact script. Okay. Okay, that's what I did with the other one. Click compile and save. For Forza input brake, right click, Forza input gas, click duplicate. edit. We're gonna call it break instead. Edit the code. There. Compile. Save and compile. Let's go. Phase 4, create quit Twitch triggers. Now we map your chat commands directly to your finished input scripts. Select your Forza input left action. Okay, input left. Move to the top right, triggers. Okay. We're gonna do add Twitch chat. Oh, shoot. Whoa, I can't see. Command. That's what we wanted. Twitch chat. There's no command. Probably chat message. Click the small plus symbol next to it. Gosh dang it. Start over this. Again, start over with this, as there is no command option under Twitch chat. So close. Hey, Lambo Racer, thank you for the subscribe. We're almost done, I hope. Anyways, target as a core feature because a single command can actually mark YouTube and kick all at the same time. Oh, that's cool. Let's fix this. So let's just get rid of that trigger. Put triggers. Okay, core command trigger. Okay, core commands command triggered. Let's go. We're so close, so close. A dialog box will appear. Click create command button in the drop down. Create command. Oh boy, name of the command. We're gonna call it Forza left. Group. There's no group option. Group. Forza. That's fine. I'll just. Oops. Now, what did I call that? Forza chat control. That's what I'm going to call it. Forza chat control. Command type left. The usual type after the exclamation left. Left. Ooh. grant type all. Put each command prefix on its own line. Okay. Click save and then click OK. We'll see. Now for write. I lied. Let's just start over. Core commands triggered. We're gonna do create. The name will be Forza right. Almost done. All we're doing is making it so when you type in the command, it works. I can set it to where like subscribers or whatever user permissions. Oh, or very specific users. Almost done. Okay, and then okay. And now map gas. Input left, right. Let's do gas. Core commands triggered. Add command. We're gonna call it Forza gas. Group. We're gonna pick Forza jet control. We're gonna call it gas. I might have to go back in and put exclamation point gas for all these because it's acting like it just will accept it and I'm not totally sure. Now break. Commands triggered. Create a command. Yeah, we'll just keep it consistent. We're gonna call Forza break. We're gonna call this one break. And the group, I'll just group it with the same ones. Testing note, by default, StreamBot automatically hooks up standard punctuation matching. Your chatters now can use. Okay. Okay, I'm worried. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh boy. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Let's launch the game. Falcon beard. Falcon bread. That's what I meant. Okay. They're playing Forza, right, Spear? Let me. Put my headset on. Whew. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that all that I just did was a complete waste of time. That's what I'm nervous about. Let's make this a little more normal shaped. Get down here and share. Oh man. You know what I just realized? I don't have the game installed. I play on this, so I don't know if it's gonna detect the word Forza will be on the window. Because it's supposed to only work if the window that's like I've clicked on has the name Forza in it, which maybe this will, maybe you won't. We're about to find out. I'll turn my controller on, go to here, I'm gonna click play, and I'm not sure. Right now it says just Xbox right now, so I might have to update that. Oh man. Oh, let me swap to my headset so I can hear it. There we go. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm hearing that in my headset, right? No. Yeah, I am. Okay. What does it say? It still says Xbox. I think I'm gonna have to update that. Gosh darn it. Okay. That's fine. Oh my gosh. Can I reopen? Yeah, the recently closed. Okay. Oh man, I was so close. um, I was about to test it all out and realized that since I am not playing Forza via a local install on my PC, I am playing via cloud on the Xbox app. So when it looks for an active window with the word Forza in it, it won't find it because the window is technically Xbox. Oh, so close. One extra hiccup. Which one do I adjust? Because we went through a lot and I honestly cannot remember. Incredible catch if you're playing cloud gaming. The operating system views the entire game containers Xbox app, meaning the script hunting for the native Forza will not. Yep, it won't find it. To fix this, look into phase 1, your master timer action. Okay. Let me pull that up. Pull that back up. Master timer. Action. Input and pivot the targeting logic to point to Xbox container. Oh shoot, how do I do that? Option. Depending on your keyboard, pressing sub action, C script handles when to target. Here's exactly what you need to change. If your master script targets by window title, if your input script uses open your master action find the line of code that looks for window. Okay, we're gonna hit edit. Here's what we can do. We can do Control F, look for something that says Forza. Nothing? Does that have to be a capital? Forza. Huh? Nothing. Okay, system, get foreground window. If window, here it is. Contains Forza. Let's swap that to Xbox. There we go. There we go. That should be it. Change to Xbox. Okay. Let's try that. Let's try that. Oh. Oh boy. Let's try it. I'm so nervous, guys. Text. Oh, my bad.
Welcome back, Sensei.
Okay. Let's try it. Meg, are you here? Actually, I should be able to try it myself. We're gonna try. Yes, okay. Type in exclamation point gas and hit enter. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, wait a minute. It didn't work. Which is... But I'm also realizing I can't use any keyboard inputs. Which really throws a wrench in my... No, I didn't mean to open this. I wanted to just go to settings. It doesn't necessarily mean that what I set up this whole last 2 hours is wrong, but it does mean that I might have to download Forza for this to work if I can't use keyboard controls. doesn't look like I can. Oh no. Let's quit game. If I click, how do I, oh no, I'm so sad. How do I check if I can do this with, I want to look for, where's the all thing? Yes, yes, yes. I want to find all games. Day one releases, most popular in cloud, recently added. Play keyboard and mouse. Yes, all the games that I can play keyboard and mouse. Sort by title. A, B, C, D. Dang it, I can't use keyboard and mouse on cloud. I have to download it. I don't have room to download it. No. I'm so sad, guys. Do I uninstall Sea of Thieves? How much is it? 130 gigs. I'm sad. Yes, I'm uninstalling. Let's install this sucker. I might not be able to test it tonight then, because this is gonna install. Dang it! I'm going to. Oh, that was. I think that was actually me. Was that me? Shoot. Spear, are you messing with me? No, it was me. What disconnected? Oh, it was my mouse. I understand. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my baby. Be right back. Okay. This looks like it's gonna take a while to download, which means I might not get to test it until tomorrow. If I play tomorrow. Next time. Until next time. Which means I'll just play Cloud for a little bit with Spear and the guys while Steph's feeding baby, and then I'll probably get off after he's fed, and this will be the stream for today, which I really wanted to test it. I'm really sad, but this is downloading not even very slow. It's 400 megabits a second. It's downloading pretty decent. It's just this is such a big game. And I don't have that much time. And it's already 10:45 for us. You want to say hi? Oh, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Yeah? Say hi, Miss Meg.